April 2023, a routine flight from Columbus, Ohio to Phoenix, Arizona was suddenly interrupted by a bird strike, causing one engine to light on fire. The airplane, however, did land safely back at the airport. What makes some birds so dangerous when airplanes are flying? With 16,000 bird strikes happening in the US alone each year, it's a question worth exploring. Usually, bird strikes occur during takeoff and landing, and when they occur, these birds are ingested into the airplane's engine. When this happens, the bird blocks the flow of air needed for an engine to run. This can cause the engine to stall out, catch on fire, or completely shut down as a result. What do you think? Have you ever encountered a bird strike while flying? Comment below.